Hello friends, I am Tualinga through Bookstagrammer, and today once again I am here with a new video. In this video I am going to talk about few things which a beginner should always keep in mind while picking a book. This is basically on the request of few people who really wanted to know that if I want to start a book, what are the things which I should keep in mind while choosing a book. So I'll talk about 5 points, only 5 points, and let's start with it. The first point is, suppose you plan to buy a book and you go to a bookstore and you are totally clueless. You are going here, you are going there, and but you are not able to decide what kind of book you want to buy. So the best thing is, in a bookstore, all the books are, they are kept according to the genre, like fiction, science fiction, romance, biographies. All these kind of the books are divided according to your genre, and you can ask yourself like what kind of person you are. If you are a romantic person, obviously you are going to choose a romantic book, and if you love thrillers or mysteries, then you will go for a thriller or a mystery. If you are a person who is into horror, then you can go for horror or paranormal books. So you can go to the specific genre from which you want to buy the book, and you can pick a book of your choice according to your choice. Okay, now the first thing is done. You have decided, you have selected a book, you have picked a book from the bookshelf, and now the next thing is you have to you want to find out what this book is exactly about. So how you are going to find it out? Very simple. Just go through the blurb or the summary which is given at the back side of the book. Go through that summary, go through that blurb. You'll come to know what exactly the content is, what exactly the book is about. Okay, and suppose the second thing, when you read the book, when you read the blurb or when you read the summary, you like it and you decided, okay, this is the book which I'm going to buy. Now the third thing is, find out about the author, the person who has written the book. Find out what kind of books he used to write, what kind of content, what is his way of writing. Find out all these things, and you will ask me a question that I am not a bookstagrammer, I am not a person from book community. So how I'm going to find out all these things? Okay, it's very simple. I always Google about the author, and I always find out like what kind of author is he a prize winner author, what kind of books he write, what is his way of writing, all these things. And this will certainly help you in making a view about the author, like, okay, this is the author and he writes this kind of books and I'm going to like this one. So three things are done. You have selected a book, you have read the blurb, and you have read about the author also. Now fourth thing, which is very important, obviously, now when you have decided the book, now you're going to read the book, and listen to the fourth point very carefully, otherwise you'll come to me and you'll complain that you did not tell the fourth point in detail. So the fourth point is that find out the language, or I would say find out the way the author has written the book. Now you will say, how to find out? I cannot read the book standing in the bookstore. Obviously you can't do that, but you can read the epilogue, you can read the prologue, or if epilogue, prologue, nothing is there, read few pages like in the starting, and read few pages in the beginning, and you will come to know like what kind of language is there. Is it are you able to understand the language? You are able to comprehend it? Are you going to like the way the author has presented the things? This will certainly help you in making a perception about the book, like whether you should go for this one or not. Okay, four things are done. Now we will come to the fifth point. Fifth thing is, best thing to find out about the book is the very important, and the last thing is find out the reviews about the books. Don't go for a single platform, go for various platforms. There are many platforms, there are many sites, many such pages are there where the book reviews are there. Go for the book reviews, and the book reviews, you will read different kind of reviews, from the lowest one to like very critical one to a very somebody who is like appreciating the book. When you will read the reviews, you will come to know what kind of book is this, and whether this book book is according to your choice or not. Are you going to like this book? What kind of characters are there? The author has described the characters nicely, because when you will read a variety of reviews, obviously in some reviews you will find that about the content, somewhere you will find about the language, somewhere you will find about the characters. So in this way you can decide whether you should go for this book or not. So guys, these are the 5 points to decide the book. A person who is totally clueless about book can follow these 5 points, and I am sure that these 5 points will help you in deciding, in selecting a big nice one, like best kind of book according to your choice. So this much for today. Hope you like this review and you start hope you like this video and you start reading the book. Bye bye and take care.